How to fix GCash app authentication failed issue. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you to fix GCash app authentication failed issue. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open settings on your device. Tap apps. Now select app management. Tap search bar at top. Type in GCash. Open it. On this app info page, tap storage uses. Clear cache and data. Though this step seems to be very simple, but this will help us to get rid of different bugs and errors relating to GCash app. Come back to the app info page. Tap battery uses. Tap force stop to first stop the app. Now exit from settings page. Check whether your issue has been persist or not. If not, open Play Store or App Store and search GCash. If you see updates of GCash, update the app to the latest version to fix the issues and bugs. Lastly, restart the device holding on the power button and you will get the restart button. Tap on it and fix GCash app authentication failed issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching.